Hare Krishna, this is Aishwarya. Welcome to my channel Basics by AJ. And today I am going to present you recipe of a Mexican delicacy which is one dish meal and called as 7 layers burrito bowl. It's sweet, it's tangy, it's cheesy, and most importantly, it's very filling. You can have this dish directly into the bowl, that's why it's called burrito bowl, or you can take it out and serve it on your plate. It's quite similar to the Taco Bell rice bowl. In fact, it's much better than Taco Bell's burrito bowl because it does not contain any onion or garlic. So let's begin. First of all, we will prepare the rice, for which I have taken a pan, added some oil, some grated ginger and some green chilies and capsicum, and now some boiled rice. To this I have added some soya sauce, some salt, some green chili powder. Mix it well and the rice is ready. Keep that rice aside for some time. Now we will prepare the Mexican sauce, for which I have taken a hot pan in which I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of our all-purpose flour or maida, and let it cook till it get little brown, golden brown. And now we have added 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and half a tablespoon of red chili powder, some vegetable stock or simple water. Give it a good mix. Adding maida to this sauce will give it a nice smooth texture. And now I am going to add some homemade tomato puree. To this we will add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, some salt, some sugar, some green chili sauce, some vinegar, some red chili flakes and some oregano, and some black pepper powder. If you have this hot chili sauce, then it's fine, otherwise it's totally optional. So our sauce is ready. Keep it aside for a while. So let's begin to prepare our refried beans, for which we need some colorful vegetables. So here I have taken a pan in which I have added some red chili flakes, some oregano, and now I am adding green chilies, all 3 kinds of capsicum, some sweet corns, boiled of course, and to this I am adding some salt and some black pepper powder. To this I will add some rajma, that is kidney beans, to which I have boiled and coarsely mashed it. And now I will add some tomato sauce, some hot chili sauce, and finally some chopped basil leaves and coriander leaves to it. So our refried beans is also ready. Keep it aside. By that time we will prepare our salsa, for which I have taken some chopped tomatoes, some cucumber, green chilies, green lettuce and some coriander leaves, and finally to it we will add some lemon juice into it. This dish gonna be some sweet and lot of tanginess into it, so my mouth is watering right now. To this I have added some salt and some black pepper powder and some hot chili sauce. Give it a good mix and your salsa is ready. You can keep it aside or you can keep inside your fridge. By the time we will prepare one more sauce, that is chipotle sauce, for which we need some mayonnaise, around 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. To this I am adding some soya sauce, some hot chili sauce, some green chili sauce, some Italian herbs, some red chili flakes, some black pepper powder, some vinegar, some tomato sauce, some salt to taste, some red chili powder, and give it a good mix. So our chipotle sauce is ready. Finally, we are going to assemble whatever we prepared till now. So first of all, the sauce, Mexican sauce which we prepared, at the bottom we will spread that, and then one layer of rice that we prepared. I am pressing the rice because we need a smooth surface on which we can spread these sauces. So the chipotle sauce which we just prepared, I am spreading on it. And now the salsa that we prepared. Some more rice, as it's rice bowl, so rice has to be in good quantity. So till now I have given 2 layers of rice. And this is some cheese spread which I am spreading on the rice. Spread it evenly and in good amount. And finally, this refried beans which I prepared, I am spreading on it. And some more rice. So this is the third layer of rice, as rice is the main ingredient of this dish. Rest are the sauces. On top of the rice, I am spreading some more salsa. And some more Mexican sauce on top of the salsa. And now on top of it, we will add cheese. So whatever kind of cheese you have at your home. So I'm adding some mozzarella cheese, some cheddar cheese on top of it. As I told, it's gonna be cheesy, tangy and sweet, so lots of cheese I'm going to grate on it. So it's almost ready, but on top of it I will add some tomato, some cucumber, so that it looks delicious. On top of it I've added some more cheese spread. So our 7-layer burrito bowl is ready, but hey, it's not done yet because we need to melt the cheese. So if you have microwave or oven at your home, you can preheat your oven and keep this dish in it for about 6 to 7 minutes and the cheese will melt. I have some homemade nachos with me, to which I am adding to this dish on sides. It will give a nice look to this dish and also add some crunch to this dish. So let's give it a final touch by keeping it inside the oven or microwave so that the cheese melts and it does melt in your mouth. So my 7-layer burrito, in fact multi-layer burrito bowl is ready, to which I'm offering it to Lord Shri Krishna, after which it becomes even more tastier, and I'm gonna enjoy this dish with my family. How about you? Try at your home and do let me know in the comment box that how was it. Hope you liked the recipe. This is Aishwarya signing off. Hare Krishna.